Sup guys, welcome back to another new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install shaders for your Minecraft Java. So first of all what you're going to do is go to Chrome and you can just go to any website. Personally I prefer CurseForge and Modrent.com. So here what you can do is just download a couple of shaders that you want. Personally I like BSL shaders, complementary shaders and Sildor's vibrant shaders. So what I'm gonna do is just download all of them. Okay, it has downloaded. For complementary I'm gonna do the same, and similarly I'm gonna download the BSL shaders. Okay, so I'm gonna select 1.2.5 Optifine and just download. As you can see, all three of them have downloaded, so I'm just gonna close this, go here, go to downloads, and as you can see, here are three shaders, so I'm just gonna copy all of them. And then what I'm gonna do is go to my T launcher like this, go and click on this folder thingy. And if you have a shaders packs folder, then you're gonna paste into that. If you don't have, you're just gonna create one. Just like this. Here I'm gonna open it up and paste them inside. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is just I'm gonna go back to my T launcher, and here I'm gonna select an Optifine version with a blue TL on the side. So let's find, here I have Forge. I need a Optifine. I'm just gonna select Optifine with a blue TL, and for me it's personally 1.2 1.4 because all of the shaders are compatible with this version. So I'm just gonna click it, and here I'm gonna run it. So let's wait a few seconds. Okay, so it's downloading. Okay guys, so here I am in the game. So I'm gonna just show you how we can, add the shaders. So go to options, go to video settings, and here what you're gonna do is, here are the shaders. So here you can do, as you can see, the shaders are visible. We downloaded BSL, complementary reimagined, and Sildur's vibrant. So let's do the BSL first. So I did the BSL first. So let's check it out. As you can see, Minecraft looks epic right now. I mean, like, just look at the, water effect and everything. And the sun, it looks just so cool. Further, let's change it again. Let's go to video setting, then the shaders, complementary reimagined. Let me just click on it. Okay, here we go. This is complementary reimagined. You can see, you know, the plants are moving and everything. Here's a villager, how it looks. You can also, let's change it back to another one. Go to video settings, shaders, and let's do Sildur's vibrant shaders now. Okay, this one looks even better. It feels like I'm playing Assassin's Creed, in Minecraft. Another side thing that you guys can do is go to, your video settings and shaders, and you can, if I select this one shader, I can go to shader options and, do some more minor and major changes to it. Like for the sky and lightning, I can, turn some things on and off. You can just pretty much mess around with the setting that get your favorite, texture and everything. So that's a side note, side tip. So that was pretty much, how you can download and install the shaders in your Minecraft Java. And if you guys like video like this, so please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll keep on uploading more good videos for you guys. Goodbye.